Hello, my name is Folashade Agumbiade, one of the participants of Moodle for Teacher Administration Training. Having gone through all the activities requested under Moodle for Teacher Administration Training course, I have the privilege to move to another course named Admin for Moodle, under which I will first become a manager and later become administrator of a Moodle site. On the journey of becoming a manager, I will have to begin with the role of a student by signing in with a question and reflect on the process from Moodle for Teacher admin course. Having signing in with a question, I receive the role of a manager with which I can have the privilege to create a course and enroll users into the course. This is a short video on how to create a course and enroll users on Moodle 2.5. To be able to create a course, you need account as a manager. Having this account and having been given the privilege to be a manager on the Moodle site, I come to site administration. Having turned editing on, I come to site administration. Under site administration, there is courses. Clicking on the courses, under it we have add and edit courses. On clicking on it, it will take us to course categories page. In this page, we can add a new category and at the same time we can add a new course. But here we have course categories already. We have one as Moodle training and we have other as Moodle practice course for admin. I don't want to create another category. Here we have under Moodle practice courses for admin, we have 5 courses already. Now, to add a new course, I will click on add a new course button. Having clicking on it, I will have to give the course a full name by typing the full name of the course on the box in front of the course full name. I am going to add a course with the name Data Communications and Computer Networks. Data Communications and Computer Networks. Then I come to course short name, which I give as CSE 506. Then under course category, I have Moodle training and I have Moodle practice courses for admin. I choose Moodle training. Then there is a command visible. Either you want the course to be visible or you want to hide the course. I choose show the course. Then the course start date. Since I'm creating the course today, is reflecting tomorrow's date, which is 12 October year 2013. Then if the course has an ID number, then I can put it at the course ID number box. Then I scroll down and move on to description. Under description, we have course summary, that is the introduction to the course, what the course is all about. Here I will type that the computer based communication refers to the movement of data and information generated by computers from one location to another via various types of communication lines. Having done this, I'll move down to, there is a course summary file box, whereby if you have the course already on a file, you can just drag and drop the file here in this box. And if you want to add any image, all what you need is just to click and upload the file. Under this, we have course format. On clicking on the course format, then the format for the course will appear. Either you want the course to be topics format, weekly format, social format, or scrum format. If you want the course to be in topics by topics, then you choose the topic format. The number of section for the course, you can choose any from the number. How many topics is going to be under that course. Then under the course format, we have hidden sections. Hidden sections are shown in collapsed form. Hidden sections are completely invisible. I choose hidden sections are shown in collapsed form. Then course layout. Either you want the course to be shown one section per page, or to be shown, that is, all the sections of the courses will be on one page. Choose either of the two. Then you want the appearance. Under the appearance of the course, then if you want to force the theme, do not force, can choose from the scroll down box. New items to show, can choose the number of items that you want to show. Show grade book to student, either yes or no. Show activity report, you choose either yes or no. Then we move on to files and uploads. That is the maximum size of file that the students can upload onto the course site. Can choose the maximum size of the file. Then we move on to guest access. under the guest access, is either you want to allow guests to have access to the course. In that case, if it is no, and if it is yes, if you are choosing yes, if you want guests to have access to the course, if you want to, then we have to password. But if we choose no, there is no need to give password. But if you choose yes, we have to put password. So we give you permission to put password. Now we move on to groups. Under the groups, maybe you want to have number of groups for the course. You choose either no groups, separate groups, or visible groups. First group mode is either you choose no or yes. Default grouping, none. I think none is the default. Is the default under the default grouping. Then we move on to the last subheading there, saying role renaming. Under this role renaming, you can have another word or another word for manager that you have to put. Maybe manager or course creator. Maybe you want your course creator to be lecturer. You want your teacher to be any other words according to what you wish. Then you can give it a different word from what is being there. Your course creator can be a lecturer. Your teacher can be a tutor. Your student can be a participant, and so on and so forth. Having fill in all the necessary information, then you have to save changes. Click on Save Changes button. Yeah. Now, the course has been created. Now, having clicked on Save Changes, automatically it will take us to another page where we have enrolled users. That is where we can enroll the users or those who are going to be participating in the course. And how do we go about this one? We have enrollment methods. You can choose self-enrollment, you can choose guest access, you can choose manual enrollment. The default is, I think the default is all. Here, let me choose self-enrollment. Then you can move on to enroll. Click on enroll users button. And if you want to create group, as in create cohort, then you can click on enroll cohort for the course. I'm clicking on enroll users. So I want to enroll users or the participants for this course. I'm going to choose John Doe. I'll click on enroll button in front of the name. John Alcock. And I want to choose myself too. Having enrolled 3 users, then I will click on finish enrolling users. You can choose more than that, but according to the instruction that we should enroll 3 dummy users. So that's why I'm limiting the users to 3 here. Now click on finish enrolling users. Now it has is giving me the 3 users that I enroll. Thank you.